China is building drones by the thousands. Russia is deploying them by the hundreds on active battlefields. And every major military power on Earth is watching the sky, because that's where the next war gets decided. But here's what they're not telling you. While the competition was scaling up, America was building smarter. 5 AI-powered drones already years ahead of anything flying anywhere else on the planet. This is America's new AI drone army, and it is not waiting for permission to dominate. Number 1. No runway, no pilot, no warning. The XBAT is the machine that proves America's new AI drone army is years ahead of the competition, because no other nation on Earth has fielded a vertical takeoff combat aircraft that thinks for itself at this level. XBAT launches from any flat surface, rooftop, ship deck, forward operating base with zero infrastructure. It lifts off vertically, transitions to fixed-wing cruise mode mid-air, and is over target before the enemy's radar operator can file a report. The AI flight control handles the VTL transition, the most technically demanding phase of flight for any aircraft, autonomously, every time, without the micro-corrections a human pilot would fight to maintain. The mission profile is lethal and flexible. Strike, reconnaissance, electronic warfare, the same airframe serves all three depending on the payload loaded before launch. What makes XBAT genuinely dangerous is its forward deployability. No logistics tail, no airfield dependency. A small team ships it forward, assembles it in hours, and has a combat aircraft in the air before conventional air assets could even be repositioned. No ejection seat, no rescue mission, no flag-draped coffin if the mission goes wrong. XBAT doesn't just remove the pilot from danger, it removes the concept of pilot loss from the mission equation entirely. America's AI drone army doesn't need a hero to fly it. It is the hero. Number 2. Range is the one thing that limits every aircraft carrier strike group on the planet. Your fighters can only go as far as their fuel tanks allow, and refueling at sea from a tanker aircraft burns crewed sorties on a mission that shouldn't require a pilot at all. Boeing looked at that problem and built the MQ-25 Stingray, the world's first carrier-based unarmed refueling drone and one of the most strategically significant additions to America's AI drone army that puts it years ahead of every competitor. The Stingray launches from a carrier deck, fully autonomous, flies to the refueling rendezvous, transfers fuel to FA-18s, F-35Cs, and E-2D Hawkeyes, then returns and lands back aboard ship. No human pilot, no crewed tanker required. What does this actually mean in combat terms? It extends the effective strike range of carrier-based fighters by hundreds of miles. It frees up crewed tanker sorties for other missions, and it keeps the carrier strike group's combat power sustained further from the carrier, meaning further from enemy anti-ship missile range. The MQ-25 has already conducted successful autonomous aerial refueling trials with active U.S. Navy aircraft. This isn't a concept, it's passing real tests with real jets. China is building carriers. They don't have this. The MQ-25 Stingray doesn't carry a weapon, but it makes every weapon the carrier holds reach further. That is worth more than another fighter jet. Number 3. In 2023, an AI-controlled F-16 dogfought a human pilot. The AI won. That test changed the conversation permanently, and the XQ-58A Valkyrie is the platform built to turn that conversation into a combat doctrine. This is the AI war drone that could replace fighter pilots and the centerpiece of America's AI drone army, staying years ahead of every adversary on Earth. The Valkyrie is a full-size unmanned combat aircraft, not a small tactical drone, a platform with the aerodynamic capability, the speed, and the weapons payload to operate in the same airspace as 4th and 5th generation fighters. Low observable design, high subsonic cruise, internal weapons bay for beyond visual range missiles. The Valkyrie was built to go where crewed aircraft can't or won't. The Collaborative Combat Aircraft Program is building the Valkyrie into a loyal wingman system, where one crewed F-35 can autonomously direct multiple Valkyrie units simultaneously. The pilot manages the mission, the Valkyries execute the threats. in a contested environment, against layered air defenses, against enemy fighter aircraft, against ground-based missile systems. Sending a Valkyrie first means the risk lands on a machine, not a human being. Kratos built the XQ-58A faster and cheaper than any comparable combat aircraft program in U.S. history. Because America's AI drone army isn't just more capable than the competition, it's more affordable, and that means more of them, everywhere, all at once. Number 4. General Atomics built the Predator. They built the Reaper. Two drones that defined what unmanned warfare looked like for 20 years. Now they built the XQ-67A, and it proves that America's AI drone army is years ahead of the competition, because General Atomics doesn't iterate, they leap. The XQ-67A is a next-generation unmanned combat aerial vehicle designed around one principle: open architecture. Every mission system, every sensor package, every weapons integration, modular, swappable, upgradable in the field without returning the aircraft to depot maintenance. That matters more than it sounds, because the threat environment changes faster than any fixed design aircraft can adapt. The XQ-67A is built to evolve as the mission evolves, without building a new airframe every time the mission changes. The combat profile covers strike, ISR, and electronic warfare. The airframe is optimized for survivability in contested airspace, low radar signature, high agility, a flight envelope that makes threat tracking significantly harder than legacy drone platforms. Under the Collaborative Combat Aircraft Program, the XQ-67A operates alongside crewed fighters, extending their reach, multiplying their options, and absorbing the threat exposure that human pilots cannot afford to take. One F-35 pilot, multiple XQ-67A wingmen, a combat package the adversary has never faced before. General Atomics didn't reinvent the drone, they reinvented what a drone can be when there's no ceiling on ambition. Number 5. Every weapon on this list attacks, the Coyote Block 3 defends. And in a world where enemy drones are the fastest growing battlefield threat on the planet, the ability to silently, cheaply, and accurately destroy them is worth more than almost anything else flying. The Coyote Block 3 is America's answer to drone swarms, and it is years ahead of any counter-UAS system any competitor has fielded, making it the final essential piece of America's AI drone army. The Coyote is a small, tube-launched interceptor drone. It launches, acquires a target autonomously, closes the distance at high speed, and defeats the threat, whether that threat is a single commercial drone converted for military use or a coordinated swarm of autonomous attackers. The AI targeting system is what separates it from conventional air defense. It doesn't wait for a radar lock confirmation from a human operator. It sees the threat, classifies it, and engages in the time window that a drone swarm actually allows, which is seconds, not minutes. Cost matters in this fight. An adversary can flood a defense perimeter with cheap drones and exhaust expensive missile interceptors until the coverage collapses. The Coyote Block 3 changes that math, an affordable interceptor that defeats affordable threats without burning through a defense budget to do it. Raytheon has already deployed Coyote systems operationally, already destroyed real drone threats in real combat environments. America's AI drone army doesn't just win the offensive fight. With the Coyote Block 3, it controls the sky in every direction. Thanks for watching TechQubix. Subscribe for more future tech.